Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I'm gonna show you a little bit unique things. That one is change your English comprehension. So today I will share a simple three habits. If you carry your three habits within a short time, you wanna be a good speaker, you wanna be a fluency speaker. If you stay with us till end of this video, we will learn more than previous time. So let's get started. You know the problem, let's solve it. For example, you can know the all of everything, you know grammar, you know vocabulary, you also better than me. I know most of the student, most of the teachers better than me, but they can't speak English well. What's problem? So if you try to speak English, just one thing, small action, take action. Within a short time you have to improve your mumbling problem, and you have to recover your shyness. So how do you do, and how can you improve your mumbling, shyness, and speak English? So just one thing, take action. For example, in front of the anything you have to describe. For example, whenever you have to go outside and you will see the vegetable shop, you will see the any types of shop, then you will describe or say one sentence. For example, I'm walking in the street, or and I can see the some people, they are walking, they are jogging, they are exercising. You can make a sentence, because you know you have a goal, but you don't work, and you have to the improve your English proficiency. You know, just one thing, take action and describe anything, and little bit sentence. At the beginning you made a mistake, don't worry. Right now, still now, I made a mistake. So what? If you respect me, I will respect you. It's not a big deal, because mistake, it's not afraid, because I have to overcome my mistake. So another thing is, you have to identify subject verb agreement. You know the grammar, no need to explain, because a couple of months ago I knew the one girl who achieved maybe lots of English proficiency, but he didn't know how to speak English, but he speak English well, better than me. So, moral of the story, end of this video, I will inform only one things. If you want to boost your English proficiency, take action, and describe anything, and subject with subject, verb, object. You have to, for example, what is this? It's object. It's a pen. And right now, what do I do with my pen? And right now, I'm holding my pen. So, do you need any useful? For example, you have to WH question. What, where, how, when, where. You have to use your sentence. Doesn't matter right or wrong. Take action. If you need any help, then you will knock me. Within a short time, I will help you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.